Hey, hi, and welcome to A Taste of Fusion. Today, I'm creating a lovely, light, refreshing menu. I'm starting off with a fantastic appetizer of cottage cheese, which I'm baking in the oven, and then I'm piling on top some vegetables and fruit. A perfect fusion delight. For my main course, an open-faced chicken sandwich with a cream cheese spread and some fantastic veg on the side. And for dessert, well, we're going the whole hog here. Some chocolate, some strawberries, brittle, combined together in a hot lava pot. Well, enough of me talking about it. Now to go pick up my veg, get back to the kitchen and get fusing. Right, we're ready to get started, and I'm beginning with my cottage cheese bake, which is our appetizer for today. First of all, I'm going to get my little oven dish in which I have here some cottage cheese that I picked up. This is a soft cottage cheese. It's low fat, and sometimes you can get a fat-free version as well, so it's very healthy. Just slice it in half, open it up face-wise like so, and then I'm going to spice this up. Nice large pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric, a large pinch of red chili flakes, and then pour on a lovely drizzle of olive oil. These are almost ready for the oven. I just have to do one more thing, and that is get a pot of garlic and slice it up really finely. So just make sure that your slices are paper thin because you want them to cook in a very short period of time. Oh. Lovely. So just spread these around on the top of the cottage cheese. So these go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Right, so while that's in the oven, I'm going to create my topping, which today I thought, well, we have these lovely persimmons. Now this is Japanese fruit. It's very seasonal and it comes around for about a month every year. So let's take a nice little slice of that. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful coloring. Now, I'm going to slice it finely, and that means I'm just going to take my knife and take it through the skin like so. Next, I'm going to mix in some lovely peach, which of course I've sliced, so about a quarter peach, a quarter persimmon, and put this straight into your bowl. Next, I'm going to get some fantastic cucumber, slice through like so, and just, again, finely slice it up. It doesn't matter how you're slicing, as long as it's slightly long slices, because of course that just aids to the construction of the appetizer. This goes straight into the bowl. So that's a nice little mix of green and oranges. Looks beautiful. Next, some fantastic pomegranate. About 3 to 4 teaspoons of pomegranate. And finally, I thought, you know, what to top it off, how to make it a little bit more rich. And what I decided to do was use some artichoke hearts. Again, they're from a can, and you can get them in any supermarket. So I'm just going to cut them in half, because of course, when I mix in, you know, the vinegars and the olive oils, the artichoke hearts will break up. So just cut them in half so you don't create too much of a mush. So about 4 of those. Straight into the bowl. Right. Now, for the spices. 1 teaspoon of cumin, a quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili flakes, quarter teaspoon of salt, and then the juice of half a lemon. 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and then I'm just going to mix it up. Right. Gently mix up everything. That's it. Now, let's check on our cottage cheese. Right, so the cottage cheese is done. Now, I just have to let it cool off, and then at the time of plating up, mix a little parsley into my, my lovely bowl mixture, and then place it on top. But you'll see that at the time of plating up, and now I have to get moving to make my main course, which is a fantastic open-faced chicken sandwich.